We're getting ready to meet all the cool kids. Going to the Deboss and all the other guys meet up, like Skid Factory and Piston Head and Shifted Interests. So we got about an hour and 5 minutes in front of us to get there. So it's gonna be a medium drive, not too bad.
Here we go.
No, it's gonna be real. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
So here we go. So the old reliable Ford with a Cummins is broken.
Again.
Not really. It's not really broken, but it gets a very random dead pedal. There's also a bunch of surging. Well, not really. You don't notice it really, but I notice it because it's my vehicle. So I'm hoping that this APPS sensor is all it is. I know that will fix the dead pedal. I'm not sure it'll fix the thing that feels like voltage, but if it does fix it, I can bring it to the meetup tomorrow. I guess we'll show you how to fix that. So this piece of plastic here, a little sensor, is the problem we're having, we think. So the Dodge dealer wants 800 bucks for that. Napa wants 430 or something like that, and online wants 60. So we got it for 60 bucks. If you're in the States, you're lucky because you got like 5 different auto parts stores you can choose from, so I'm sure you can find it cheaper, probably cheaper yet than I found it online. And yeah, hopefully cheapness doesn't mean worse quality, which sometimes it does. So this is your throttle right here. So the sensor is what's measuring that throttle. So we'll start with taking that off. You shouldn't have to take this linkage apart from what I've seen, so you don't have to worry about that. So there. I just unplugged the sensor. It's just a simple plug. And now there are these, I am told, Loctite or extremely torqued T20s, and these look a little rusty, so this is gonna be fun. The word torques does not mean you torques them really tight, because then these things, doesn't matter. I've broken T50s before, good ones too, on Ford Rangers. Holy crap, this is still like just as tight. Out with the old, and with the new, test drive. So we're gonna give it a whirl. If it doesn't work, I'll put it for sale. Doesn't sell, goes to the scrapyard. We'll start by firing it, see if anything's different at idle. From what I can tell so far, unless it's just in my brain, it is idling a little bit better. We'll take it for a quick spin. So obviously this is Rich Deboss's Audi. Must all be working good now. We'll talk to him later.
Okay, so we're here at the meetup now. and I'm here to get 2 turbos blessed by Turbo Yoda. So I'm gonna bring them into him so that he can sign them.
So this is a little Borg Warner turbo off of a smart car, and we're gonna get it signed by Turbo Yoda from the Skid Factory from Australia.
We're gonna get it blessed.
Those smart cars are freaking awesome. I love that stuff. That's great. That's cool stuff. Yeah. And whose Crusader is that? Is that yours also?
That's mine.
Yeah, so that's cool. That's awesome. Is that going on your Crusader?
No, I was going to.
Why not?
But I have a feeling if I add any more power to it, it's just gonna self-destruct. Because the engine has a little bit low compression in one cylinder. So
Motor?
yeah,
2J rating.
I know.
Is it a Aristo diff?
Yeah.
No way.
They put the Aristo diff in it too.
Jake smeared it.
That's good.
Whoops.
Autographs and a photo with you guys.
That itself is gonna add.
I can't believe that. I never thought I would meet you guys.
That's awesome. Thanks for coming out. Get all of us on a plane too.
And the 950.
He signed it and I put my hand in it. So then I did it again and wrote version 2.0. That's really bright.
Deboss has a video on this truck. I recommend go watching it. It's got an old 2-stroke diesel in it. It's pretty cool.
It's air start.
And has an air starter that's extremely loud.
I actually watched that video.
It's only a 4-cylinder.
And I'm like, I'm glad I did it. I'm glad I watched the video after. But no, I saw it somewhere else to see injection to give you the most space.
It's got some sort of injectable in the intake there. What's he throwing in This is Rich's truck. Everybody knows about it, but
I haven't had time to clean it in like 3 years, so I don't think I've washed it since we've hung out at the junkyard build. So please don't. But this is me, filthy, dirty, but it runs and it's efficient. How's it going, guys?
good. How are you?
It's a hybrid now.
It's a hybrid
job.
now, yeah.
Well put together.
What's going on?
Good.
See, this fell down again.
What's that? Oh, just
You know, just the
Electrical?
plastic. Yeah, you know, just something that'll catch it on fire.
no big deal.
My recommendation
Is
is
it leaking fuel?
don't get into building. No, the dipstick's coming out.
Oh,
Don't build race cars because it doesn't leave you time to do anything ever again, ever.
like this. It's also rubbing on your belt.
Preach.
What's that?
That's rubbing on your surf belt.
Oh, look at that. Just took that away. Just don't worry about that. That was what for my tack, which is all plugged up and ready to go. I just haven't put it on. It's laying on my hoist.
Yep.
With
Never got put
yeah,
in.
I need the 4 bolts for it, and I never got to it. So okay, time to move on to somebody else's. I'm gonna close this hood actually.
Subi gang.
The guys are drag racing them in the beacon of the.
You got it? No, I'm
like a bird nest. Right there.
Or a rat nest.
Looks like a bird nest.
So these guys didn't realize that you put your cool vehicles over there. They got a cool Toyota over here. Why is there German?
So we met Matt Charrington, another YouTuber here, and we're gonna take him over to the truck and show him the present we got for him.
That sounds really creepy.
We come bearing gifts. We come bearing gifts.
You come to Canada and they say the Canadians are really nice, but
Eh?
damn, eh? That's what's up, guys. Thank
all
you.
that.
All right, let's trade. Come on, we're gonna do some trading. Horrible. Oh, party foul.
All right.
Do it. That's all you guys.
Cool.
If you can make it fit, make it fit. Those rims will clean up like new. I know one of the front tires is not roadworthy because I smashed it into another car. So you'll need tires, but the rims are straight.
Perfect.
Yeah.
All right, so we got a sticker from Matt, and we're gonna stick it on my smart car here. You guys should all go check out his YouTube channel. He's a good guy. He builds some really cool stuff, like his scooter that's parked in front of my smart car right now. Cool.
We'll never be back here again, I guarantee that. So might as well have fun with it. Take the stickers, make something out of them.
Give them to people.
There you go. I want to see you make a collage or something for YouTube.
All right.
a kickstand no more. Thought that held on for a minute.
Yeah. That was great. Wow.
Still getting right on my rubber.
There goes your $3.
Oh! We took it all out for America. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
So, as you can see, here's the aftermath when Matt blew his tire up. He ended the night with a big bang, and thanks to our smart car, he was able to do it. Want me to hold it so it doesn't tip?
It's not going that far if it does.
That's true.
Yeah.